Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we present you 50 beautiful retro historical photos. We hope you will appreciate our work. Write your comment and click the subscribe button. Enjoy the show, and here we go. Jean Yanni swimsuit photo shoot 1956. June 1942. Washington, D.C. Frederick Douglass Housing Project in Anacostia. Playing in the community sprayer. December 1940. Camp Livingston, Alexandria, Louisiana. Construction workers from Monroe sitting on car in front of their shacks before leaving for evening shift. May 1943. Baltimore, Maryland. Building the SS Frederick Douglass. More than 6,000 Negro shipyard workers are employed at the Bethlehem Fairfield shipyards, where this Liberty ship is being rushed to completion. July 1941. Bridge from Hartford to East Hartford, Connecticut. (1938) New York, New York. A scene on East 62nd Street. May 1939. Washington, D.C. Alleyway Zay Alley, between I 14th and 15th Streets Northwest. San Francisco circa 1926. Willis Knight Great 6 passenger coupe at Golden Gate Park, with the Spreckles Temple of Music as backdrop. December 1943. Washington, D.C. Servicemen using laundry facilities in the basement of the United Nations Service Center. It is not necessary to engage a hotel room in order to use these accommodations. June 1939. Community swimming pool at Greenbelt, Maryland. May 22, 1928. Woolworth Tower in Clouds, New York City. August 1941. Having dinner at the home of Ray Lyman, FSA client near Castleton, Vermont. January 1941. The Cycle Club of a Sarasota, Florida, trailer park. (1940) New Orleans, Louisiana. Old building at Rampart and Bienville Streets. July 1941. Home supervisor. While making home visit to FSA borrower, inspects water supply for repair. Charles County near La Plata, Maryland. January 1941. Guests at Sarasota, Florida, trailer park playing shuffleboard. Debbie Ashby, British glamour model, photo shoot 1990. November 1940. S.H. Castle's vegetables and canned goods raised on his farm in his new storage house. Southern Appalachian Project near Barberville, Knox County, Kentucky. November 1940. Hog killing near Luray, Virginia. Detroit circa 1924. Michigan Soldiers and Sailors Monument, Cadillac Square. Also, don't jaywalk, stay safe. February 14, 1967. Divorcee Kay Biosini of Redwood City, California, chauffeuring some of her 5 children, John, George, Peter, Rodney, and Ann. New York, 1938. Shoe repair establishment on East 63rd Street. Savannah, Georgia, circa 1906. Pulaski House, Bull and Street, Julian Streets. The Venerable Hotel and its Tonsorio Parlor. Circa 1910s. Navy airship and crew. July 1941. One of the airlines uses stewards, the other 2 use hostesses. Municipal Airport, Washington, D.C. New York, 1938. Shoe repair establishment on East 63rd Street. (1938) New York, East 62nd Street. Sophia Loren in A Beautiful Dress 1958. July 1941. Boy Scouts inspecting and learning about Army equipment in Commerce Square, Washington, D.C. October 1940. Old Country Store, Prospect Hill, Caswell County, North Carolina. March 28, 1901. Happy Hollow Hot Springs, Arkansas. April 1941. South Side, Chicago. Telephone booth and Negro Tavern. November 1940. Two of Dutton, Caleb's sons watering the mule. Southern Appalachian Project near Barberville, Knox County, Kentucky. December 1940. Mrs. Richard Carter, poultry farmer of Middleborough, Massachusetts. She runs the business of 1,000 poulets while her husband drives a bulldozer at an army camp nearby. January 1941. Guests of Sarasota Trailer Park picnicking at the beach. January 1941. A large textile mill in Lawrence, Massachusetts. January 1941. Agricultural Day, laborers cultivating celery near Sarasota, Florida. February 1941. Belle Glade, Florida. Migratory laborers playing checkers in front of juke joint during slack season for vegetable pickers. September 1940. Old swimming hole up South Fork, Breathitt County, Kentucky. October 15, 1922. Washington, D.C. National Woman's Party moving. January 1941. Billboards on side of building in New Orleans, Louisiana. October 1940. Resting after dinner following a corn shucking on Hooper Farm in Corbett Ridge section, Caswell County, North Carolina. January 1941. High-class trailer camp at Sarasota, Florida. Sweeping up in front of trailer home. August 1941. Harvesting wheat with combines on Schnitzler Corporation Ranch at Freud, Montana. There are about 2,800 acres on this part of the ranch, and they are getting over 40 bushels to the acre. It is one of the largest wheat ranches in the West. October 1940. University of North Carolina boys in their car at the Chapel Hill Post Office. September 1940. One-room schoolhouse showing overcrowded conditions and need for repairs and equipment. Breathitt County, Kentucky. January 1941. Sarasota, Florida, trailer park. Students coming from school in the afternoon. November 1939. Greenville, Mississippi. In the Mississippi Delta, there's an ever-increasing number of Chinese grocery men and merchants. September 1939. Combination filling station, garage, blacksmith shop, grocery store. Frank Petty, owner of the wagon, has just had his mule shod, his corn ground, purchased some kerosene and is returning home. RFD Danville, Pittsylvania County, Virginia. Bonus photo for you, a beautiful retro woman. Irresistible Samantha Fox poolside photo shoot 1986. This is the end of our performance. We hope you enjoyed it and appreciate our work. See you in the next performance. Have a good day.